There is a morning just like any other when the soft sunlight slips through the window. You sit up and notice that your feet feel colder than usual. Your hands tremble slightly, your steps are slower, and sometimes you realize your body is no longer as flexible as it once was. You may think it is simply age, just the natural process of growing old. But there is something no one often tells you, that behind those small, almost harmless signs, there is a quiet story of the blood vessels inside slowly losing their strength. Imagine your body as a city, where every road, big or small, carries life, carrying energy to every corner. When you were young, those roads were clean and open. Traffic moved quickly and smoothly. But over the years, dust, stones, and natural wear made many of those roads narrower, less clear. And your body is the same. The tiniest blood vessels, the capillaries you never see, are silently wearing down with time. People often think about the heart when speaking of aging, about high blood pressure or cholesterol, but few realize that the weakening of those tiny vessels is the true root of many familiar changes. Cold feet, numb hands when the weather turns chilly, wounds that heal slower, and even those private moments that no longer feel complete as before. This is not only aging, it is a whisper from your body telling you that the current of life inside you is slowing down. And the question is, do we simply accept it, allowing that decline to continue day by day? Or could there still be a way, something simple, something close at hand, that we may have overlooked, that could awaken that flow once more? With age, many of us notice changes that we cannot quite explain. We tire more easily, our walks become shorter, our breath a little heavier, and our energy fades more quickly than it once did. We often accept these things as normal, as if they are simply the price of living long enough. But inside the body, something deeper is happening. The blood vessels, those delicate highways of life, begin to weaken. Think of the vessels as gentle rivers that once flowed wide and free, carrying oxygen, strength, and vitality to every part of the body. Over time, these rivers face obstacles, a slow buildup that narrows the flow, making it harder for blood to travel where it is needed most. This process is quiet, almost invisible, yet its effects touch every corner of our existence. It shows in the slower pace of our steps, in the weariness of our evenings, in the way we recover more slowly from even the smallest wound. The truth is that many men, desperate for answers, look outward. They turn to expensive pills, quick fixes, or even painful procedures. Yet these often target only the surface, offering relief for the moment but never touching the root. The root lies here in the health of the endothelium, the fragile lining of our blood vessels, the very gatekeepers of circulation. When those gates begin to falter, when the blood no longer flows with ease, our bodies send subtle signals. Cold hands, restless nights, fading confidence. These are not random signs of age. They are reminders that our vessels, once strong, are calling for care. And here lies the mystery worth exploring. For what if the path to restoring this inner flow, to rebuilding what time has worn away, is not hidden in laboratories or locked away in prescriptions, but found in something humble, something simple, something that has been with us all along? There is a story that stretches back through centuries, whispered in the kitchens of villages along the Mediterranean, carried through generations, not by doctors, but by families, by elders who lived long and strong. They had no name for it beyond what it was, a golden liquid pressed from humble fruit, poured over bread, shared at every meal, and treasured as more than food. They called it olive oil, and for them, it was life itself. For outsiders, it was merely a cooking ingredient. For those who lived with it daily, it was a quiet medicine. They did not speak of antioxidants or nitric oxide or endothelial function. They only knew that their fathers walked into old age with steady steps, that their mothers grew silver-haired yet remained full of energy, that their nights were warm and their hearts strong. The secret was not hidden, yet it remained unseen by many. Today, science has finally given language to what tradition already knew. This golden drop, extra virgin olive oil, is more than flavor. It is a silent healer. A spoonful each morning can awaken vessels, soften the hardening that age brings, and stir life back into the places that feel forgotten. It is simple yet mysterious in its depth. For within that spoon rests centuries of wisdom, a bridge between what nature offered freely and what our bodies now desperately need. But the beauty of this secret is not in its complexity, it is in its simplicity. There is no ritual of wealth or privilege, no rare herb hidden in distant mountains, only a small spoon of what has always been here, within reach, waiting to remind us that nature has never abandoned us, even as time wears us down. The question is whether we are willing to see it, to trust in what is both ordinary and extraordinary at the same time, to let that golden drop begin its quiet work within us. When we think of olive oil, most of us picture its flavor in meals. Yet behind this familiar drop lies a treasure of science, a gift the body craves more than ever after 60. Our body has a special mechanism called nitric oxide. This molecule helps blood vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to flow freely into every corner, from the heart down to the tiniest capillaries. When we are young, the body produces enough nitric oxide, which is why we feel strong, flexible, and full of vitality. But as time passes, the level drops, vessels lose their softness, and circulation weakens. And here, 1 spoon of pure olive oil each morning becomes a key. Within olive oil lives a group of compounds called polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants protect the vessel walls from aging, help the body produce more nitric oxide, and keep blood vessels open and elastic. This means blood can reach even the most distant parts of the body, carrying energy, nutrients, and a quiet confidence that every man values deeply. Olive oil also plays a role in balancing hormones, especially testosterone. This is not an empty promise, but the conclusion of modern scientific research. Those golden drops also support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, nutrients essential for immunity, for strong bones, and for the survival of each cell. But science also reminds us that change takes patience and consistency. A spoon today may not bring instant transformation, yet with days, weeks, and months of steady practice, the body begins to respond. It is like a dry garden receiving water each morning, slowly greening again, until flowers return and life begins to bloom once more. Every journey of renewal begins with something small, something so simple it almost feels too ordinary to matter. Yet the body often responds most deeply to these small, consistent acts. 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil each morning may not look like much, but when done with care and intention, it becomes more than nutrition. It becomes a ritual of self-respect. The best way to take it is simple: 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach before the day begins. At that moment, your body is most ready to absorb, most open to receiving what the oil carries within it. Those polyphenols and healthy fats do not have to fight with other foods. They move directly into your system, ready to begin their quiet work of healing. Some have found that adding a few drops of fresh lemon brings a new layer of strength. The vitamin C in lemon supports nitric oxide, enhances absorption, and awakens digestion. Others add just a pinch of black pepper. Within that spice is piperine, a natural compound that helps your body unlock even more from the oil. These are not rules, only gentle suggestions to make the ritual more alive, more personal. But the true secret is not in lemon or pepper, not even in the oil itself. It lies in the consistency, in the way you choose to return to this act every single morning. In that moment, you are telling your body that you are listening, that you are willing to give it what it needs, not just once, not just when convenient, but faithfully, day after day. This ritual is small, almost hidden, but its meaning is large. It is not only oil sliding down your throat, it is a reminder that you are still here, still alive, still choosing to care for the vessel that carries you. And with each passing week, as the flow within begins to strengthen, you may discover that this little spoon was never small at all. It was a turning point, a doorway back to yourself. When hearing about a simple habit like taking 1 spoon of olive oil each morning, many people are quick to believe it is a miracle that can change everything in just a few days. But the truth must always be spoken with clarity and honesty. because health never comes from a single act alone. First, everybody is its own world. Some may notice a change within a week, some may need many months, and others may feel almost no difference at all. This does not mean that olive oil has no effect. It simply means that each body responds differently depending on the state of its vessels, its lifestyle, and the patience invested in the practice. Second, this is not a magic wand that can replace medicine or instantly cure chronic illness. Olive oil can support, it can nourish, but it works best when joined with a healthy lifestyle, balanced eating, gentle movement, proper sleep, and a calm mind. Only when these elements work together does the body truly heal from the root. Third, quality is non-negotiable. Not every oil is the same. Only extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed and stored properly in dark glass bottles, preserves the compounds that matter. Blended or poor quality oils not only fail to help, they may even cause harm. Finally, if you live with chronic conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, gallstones, or if you're taking prescribed medication, never make changes without consulting your doctor. Even though olive oil comes from nature, it can still interact with the body in ways you may not expect. These precautions are not meant to discourage you, but to remind you that any habit requires awareness, listening to your body, and guidance from trusted professionals. When we walk carefully, the path of health becomes safer, steadier, and more lasting. There comes a moment in life when you realize that age does not have to mean decline. That 60 or 70 is not an ending, but a doorway into a new kind of strength. This journey is not about becoming who you once were. It is about discovering who you can still be. And sometimes, the path back to yourself begins with something as small as a spoon each morning. Imagine an older man who once accepted his cold hands, his weary legs, his fading confidence as the price of time. Day after day, he carried that quiet resignation until he chose to make one small change. Each morning, he lifted a spoon of golden oil to his lips, not expecting miracles, only choosing to care for himself again. Weeks passed, and though nothing changed overnight, he noticed his steps became lighter, his rest deeper, his spirit steadier. It was not only the oil that transformed him, it was the act of remembering that he was still worth the care. This is the true gift. The oil is important, yes, with its science and its compounds, but even more powerful is the meaning you give to it. It becomes a signal to your body and your soul that you are not giving up, that you still claim your right to energy, to confidence, to the joy of living fully. The question is not whether time will pass. It always will. The question is whether you will choose to let time take your vitality, or whether you will choose each morning to give something back to yourself. A spoon of oil may seem small, but it carries a message larger than age itself. It says you are still alive, still capable, still deserving of strength and joy. So let this ritual be your reminder. Do not wait for life to fade further before you act. Do not believe the whisper that it is too late. Begin now with one simple habit, and step by step you may find that what was once slowing has begun to flow again, that what felt distant has returned, and that you have not lost yourself at all. You have only found a way back.